Hi and welcome. You're watching India Daily English, and I am Kanchan Jeswani. Today, we'll be talking about Parliament, about what happened in Parliament today. If you look at the current scenario of winter session, that makes any of us raise a lot of questions to all the parliamentarians sitting inside the Parliament. The first question to be asked is, what is happening inside the Parliament, and why is it happening? What is happening in Parliament? Parliament is called as temple of democracy. Is this is how a parliament functions? Is this is how the parliamentarians should behave? Is this is how of the scenario, the pictures that we saw today inside the parliament, outside the parliament, that we saw from the hospitals, makes us question a lot many things. It makes us question the government. It also makes us question the opposition. Is this the power strength of opposition? So all this started, if we talk about the entire winter session, the winter session could barely perform. There could be any barely sessions in the entire winter session throughout this. And why? Because, the opposition was adamant. And it should be. The opposition wanted to discuss on Adani. The opposition wanted to discuss on Manipur. The government, on the other hand, did address the parliament. You must have heard PM Modi addressing the parliament on constitution. But the session was not as it was expected. Every time the sessions keeps on coming, the sessions keeps on ending, but the crux remains unanswered. And this is why we are coming up with this question, that what are these parliamentarians doing inside the temple of democracy? Amit Shah's statement on Ambedkar has raised the entire row, has created a different picture that we see in Parliament today. You'd see the opposition before were all wearing black jackets few days before during the winter session with Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Mallikarjun Kharge and other opposition parliamentarians were wearing black jackets to show their protest against the government. Adani, Modi, Bhai Bhai. These were the slogans that were written on their jackets. Then they came with bags bringing to the parliament, inside the parliament. Then they came up with this blue t-shirts and blue suits that you saw today they were wearing, and they were questioning the way Amit Shah's statement on Ambedkar has created a political row among all the parliamentarians, has created a new debate that is happening right now inside the Delhi, that you can see that, there's different reaction that makes us question a lot many things. So this is what is happening in the parliament inside. This is what is happening outside the parliament from, like we say it in Hindi, Sadak se lekar Sadan tak. This is what is happening. Now the question arises, when will the actual matters that concerns the common man will be discussed and addressed in parliament? When these parliamentarians decide to talk on social issues, to talk on political issues, to talk on the issues that is required for the people of our country, for the people of our nation. Why are they not discussing on that? Is Ambedkar has become a new political row in all these parliamentarians. There was a press conference that was did by Amit Shah. There was a press conference that was did by many other spokesperson and ministers of Bharatiya Janata Party. There was also a press conference that was done by Mallikarjun Kharge today itself, where Rahul Gandhi was also seen next to him in the same blue t-shirt. He is generally seen in the white t-shirt, but today we saw him in the blue t-shirt. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra was also seen, and she said that only the BJP parliamentarians are not injured. It was Mallikarjun Kharge who was also injured during this entire thing that was happening inside the parliament. But the question still remains the same. Has the politics of India stooped down to this level where instead of talking about what benefits the nation, instead of talking about, employment, instead of talking about how the inflation is going beyond all the measures, instead of talking about economy, instead of discussing important issues, in the winter session, in any session that needs to be discussed and addressed, we are talking about other parliamentarians, we are pushing other parliamentarians, the parliamentarians are admitted to hospitals. There is a different picture that comes altogether from today's news, and that makes us question a lot many things. That has the Indian politics stooped down to this level where you and me are discussing such a concern? For more such updates, keep watching India TV English.